Crazy Little Thing Called Love by Queen. I'm probably crazy for trying this, but I'm Steve and I'm gonna try to teach it to you in under 3 minutes. Less, there's just shut up, Steve. So we begin here with the D major, ready? D major, you play a regular D, and then you lay this finger down onto the 3rd fret of the E string like that and go down, up, down. That's when you put the finger on there and then take it back off, play a regular D like that and get this rhythm. So you bend that flat like that. Then when it, that's how the intro goes, and then it does this thing called love. G major, C, G, D. Now you could use a regular G to a regular C and a regular G, but the better thing to do is when you go to the G, you've already got this finger right here on that note right there, 3rd fret of the B string. Keep that there with your D string and just now lay it down flat like that again and play a G. So you're playing a G with that 3rd fret of the B, and that allows you to go move these 2 fingers from these strings up to these strings, and you're playing the root note of a C chord. Like that, C, G. So check this out. D, G, C, G, D. And then it goes Crazy Little Thing Called Love. So that's a B flat. I play it with my thumb. B flat up to C. You could play a regular C or do a C. And you could do a D if you want to bring it up to the bar chord D, but then you just, I play this. Now, I'll show you the cool bass note at the end of the video. Hang around for the end of the video, you'll see that cool bass note. But then when it goes into the pre-chorus, it goes, there goes my baby, G, she C major, G. She drives me B flat major. She gives me E major, hot and cold fever, A major, she leaves me in a cold, cold sweat. And then it goes. Not that hard. You hit an open D, then you go to the 4th fret of the A string, 3rd fret of the A string, then you go to the open A string, 4th fret of the E string, 3rd fret of the E string, and then E major, A major, and you go. I'm gonna teach you this really quick. You play an A right there and go 3rd fret. You're basically playing A with one finger, add the 3rd fret of the E string, and now add the 2nd fret with your thumb, and now open E string with the A chord right there, and then that. Or you can use a bass like this. So that's open, 3rd, 2nd, open of the E string. And back to that. Okay, you're gonna have to pause and rewind to make sure you get all this in 3 minutes. I think you can do it. It's really great. Super fun when you get it, including that bass note. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll catch you next time for some more super mega fast lessons. See ya.